Imagine you're at a birthday party, but you don't have a cake, and you'll be cutting the cake in 20 minutes. So that means you have to get the cake fast. So you wouldn't want to get it somewhere across the state. You'd want to get it somewhere close. So right now in this world, you can easily just type in cake bakeries and so many cake shops will show up. But have you ever wondered how that works? They obviously don't stalk you. Well, today you'll learn how the GPS, which stands for Global Positioning System, works. First, not all devices have GPS receivers. In fact, the most common uses are in phones and cars. Using GPS, it can help you track your workout timings, people, and it can also help you with directions when you're going places. But how do they see your location, you may ask? Well, there are currently over 30 satellites in space. But if you want to know how satellites help, well, your device knows all the satellites. And the satellites are always sending out radio waves from their antenna, which then your phone can collect. Uses something that is called a GPS receiver built into it. And once your phone connects to at least 4 satellites, then the satellites know where your phone is. But how do they know? That's when the trilateration method comes into play. As you see here, there are different locations. And let's say that you have no idea where you are, but you want to figure it out. So what you use is this method called trilateration. So what satellite 1 is telling you is that you're 5 miles away from the pizza place. So let's say this is about 5 miles. So right now, just using satellite 1, you know that you could be anywhere in this circle. But that's not good enough. That's such a big space. So then you listen to satellite number 2. And satellite number 2 tells you that you're 8 miles away from the core. So if here's a core, let's say we draw it here. That means that you can be anywhere from this point to this point. So you would be anywhere in this shaded area, but that's still a lot of space, and you want to really narrow it down. So let's say you even listen to satellite number 3. Satellite number 3 tells you that you are 8 miles away from Kroger. So if here's Kroger and you're 8 miles away, you would be about here. So now, that means that you could be anywhere here. So let's see if we can get even more exact with this. So then we even listen to satellite number 4. Satellite number 4 tells you that you're 5 miles away from Wagon Wheel. So 5 miles would be about right here. And let's draw the circle for it. And that makes you end up somewhere in here. So how we know that is because all of the 4 circles, so satellite 1, satellite 2, satellite 3, and satellite 4's information, we use them all, and they all intersected right here, which means that this is where you landed.